Garbage Hole 85.
I'm back with another episode. Today we're going to be playing Pokemon Go right now. So this is Monica, and Garbage Hole just saying.
Yep, and my channel is Garbage Hole 85. As you guys that are watching here, from my perspective, will see you guys probably know all about KP Striker 22. And if you're a good viewer, then you probably know about Ben 180 together. Let's combine the two together and do a Pokemon Go collaboration video for each other's channels. Yeah, I know my best is a 296 quillfish, as you saw me catch in the first episode with my brand new account, KP Striker 22. Because you guys probably know about my Garbage Hole 85 account, level 27, with a 2,700 Gyarados as being my best. My second best is a 243 Raticate. Third being a 135 Venonat. So yeah, if you guys don't know about the benchmark park system, yes, Ben 180 viewers, listen to that as well. We are currently in park at the minute. I know there's a bench that I go to in my videos, and there's also an area with bark in it, so we're gonna, Ben, are we gonna visit the 3 areas and maybe visit some other areas as well? Like some special areas that we're gonna do just for this collab? I know you guys can see some Pokemon sightings. I do not have a Powers on this account. But yeah, Ben, when are we gonna go? Okay, so we're gonna visit another area. It probably is going to be bark. So I'll see you guys when we reach that destination. He alerted me that there's an Oddish, a wild Oddish, has just appeared. So let's catch this. Well, it's CP12, that doesn't matter. Brand new Pokemon for the Pokedex, which is really cool for me. But I just wanted to alert you guys. There's an Oddish. Shoutouts to Ben 180 for telling me that there was this Oddish, and I'll see you guys in bark. Just we'll catch you day 6 days street. Okay guys, we have a Pidgey here. Ben 180 is hatching an egg, so that's really cool. What did you get? Natu. Oh, Ben got a Natu. I already have one of those. Yeah, we're here at Bark, grass area of Bark. My Natu there. So we're gonna head down to some. We're going to head to some different areas this episode. Park and Bark are going to be the only areas that we do, same as other times in the episode. We're going to go to 2 completely brand new locations that will probably be exclusive to this collab that we're going to do. And I'll see you guys when we're at one of the brand new locations, which is just down there. It's a Pokestop, as you can see, it's that Pokestop in there. But I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, so we're back at this. There's an Eevee, a Central, and a Pidgey. We're back at a gate, somewhere that we haven't visited before. As you guys, check out Ben 180 in the description. Smash that like button, leaf. Can we hit 5 likes this episode? That would be so cool. On the way to 10 subscribers. Oh, we just got that EV right there. Really cool. Oh, a Spinarak spawned as well.
What's up?
Let's catch that Spinarak. Oh, Ben 180 starting his part. What part are you on?
Part 3.
Okay.
Just getting the Pokeballs up. We got 3 Pokeballs.
132 Spinarak. That's so good. Okay, guys, my cutting actually did kind of cut out, but there is a Centret right here. Let's see if we can catch this Centret. No, it broke away. Let's see if we can catch this Centret right here. We're at a brand new area. We're at a gate. This is going to be gate in the system. I will only really go here when doing collabs. Oh, I can evolve a Centret into a Furret. Let's first of all catch this Pidgey right here. That would be so cool. Yeah, I want to evolve a Centret into a Furret. But that would be a really cool Pokemon to get, a Furret. Because it's brand new, and you guys know brand new Pokemon is something brand new to look at. You guys, that'd be so cool. But yeah, let's evolve Centret. I'm going to evolve the Centret. Our best CP71. Let's smash that evolve button. That made me smash that like button. As I said previously, can we get 5 likes this episode? That'd be really cool. Come on. Furret! Are you doing that as well? Yeah, I just got my first Furret.
So guys, this will be our 5th Furret.
Ooh, 248! Quick attack and... Oh my goodness, it's got the best moveset! Quick attack and hyper beam! Yay! Back, and we have another guest. Welcome, Kyle W2S.
Hi.
And there's so many Pokemon here. A 277 Ledian. Welcome, Kyle W2S. I'll link your channel down in the description below, and you can check it out. And there's so many new Pokemon here. Well, there's a bunch of... This is a Ledian. This is so hard to catch. Ledian is so hard to catch. It'll be my second best. Yes, we just got the Ledian. What you really
Did you?
Yep, I just got the Ledian.
Ah,
that's Kyle over there. Well, he's coming over. So Ledian added to the Pokedex. 277. Ladybug Candy.
This is my best Pokemon.
Ooh, okay. Oh, right on. Okay.
2332.
So that's Kyle from the Kyle W2S channel.
Yep.
Check that out, linked in the description below.
Check it out and subscribe.
No, though it's literally Ladybug heaven. So yeah, Kyle, are you playing Pokemon Go at the minute?
Yeah.
How many? There's so many Ladybug. This is like a Ladybug spawn nest. Yeah, we're at a second park. Yep. Cutting did in fact cut out. So we're trying to catch. There's another Centret here. This should do it. There's so many new Pokemon here. Well, there's a lot of Pokemon. There's the new Lady and we just got that Centret right there. So that's gonna be us for today. We're gonna head to that Pokestop over there, and there's another area over about that gym area that I'm gonna go check out, and I'll see you guys in the next area. And the Centret, guys. Quagsire, I know. Right, so this is a brand new Pokemon for this account. So we're catching this 54. You can see Kyle's shadow. Brand new Pokemon to the Pokedex. Follow me on this account because I had like 2 Quagsires on my other account. And I had like a million Furrets. I'm catching the Centret as well. But I think that's going to be me for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Pokemon Go! Again, thanks so much for watching, guys.
Leave us and go check out Kyle W2S and subscribe.
And Ben 180. But again, thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you again in the next episode. Say goodbye, Kyle.
See